Hello and welcome back to my channel. And for I'm gonna make a video about this question. A Pakistani man asked me if his Filipino wife can work or have a job here in Pakistan. Here's the thing. Although here in Pakistan, opportunities or career opportunities for women is limited, but still, there are lots of women working here in Pakistan. So what are those available job or work here in Pakistan for foreign national or foreign wife? It's actually depending on the qualifications of your wife. If your wife is a professionals like doctor, nurse, engineers, or teachers, um, whatever profession that she has or qualifications that she has to have that work, then of course she can have that work as long as she is qualified. Yes, as long as your wife is qualified for that profession that she wants or the job that she wants to have here in Pakistan, then she can. Although in Pakistan, it is very limited for the woman to have the opportunity to work professionally or whatsoever. It still depends on the skills of your wife. Wife's educational background, skills, and job experiences. So what is next if she has all those skills, educational background, and experiences or job experiences? If the wife is a foreigner like us, she needs legal documents that can allow her to stay and work here in Pakistan. Basically, if a foreign wife is married to a Pakistani man, she will be needing a family visa or POC. POC means Pakistan Origin Card. Having a POC card will allow her to stay, work, and have some properties here in Pakistan. Every foreign national who are married to a Pakistani has the right to have POC card. So if you are in the other country and married to a Pakistani and you want to come freely or without having hassle in applying visa to come here in Pakistan, then you can apply for a POC card online. Although, if it's not possible for you to have a POC card, you can also apply for a family visa. You can avail this family visa as long as you are legally married to a Pakistani man. Don't you worry, as long as you have a POC card, family visa, and your passport, you can have a job or work here in Pakistan. If you will work professionally, then you have to bring your necessary documents proving your educational background, like the certificate of your profession, transcripts, license, and certificate of your job experiences if you have. However, not only professionals can work here in Pakistan. There are also available jobs or work for those who are not professional, like online jobs or work from home. In this kind of job, you just need computer desktop or laptop, good internet or Wi-Fi connection. And since here in Pakistan, especially here in Karachi, the electricity problem is a big issue. So you will be needing UPS as a backup. But then you have to consider the place as well. There are also call centers here in Pakistan. So if your wife has that ability or skills in working to customer service or call centers, then she can. There are also jobs available in the big restaurants, malls, hotels, and parlors. Here's the thing. There are so many Filipinas here in Pakistan that works as DH or domestic helpers, like babysitter, housemaid, driver, cook, or caregiver. This kind of jobs offers a nice salary, especially if you are a POC card holder. You can work as a full-time or part-time. It's up to you, or it depends on the job that being offered. So these are the jobs that available here in Pakistan if your wife wants to work here in Pakistan. Here's the thing. The problem is actually not the availability of the job for the wife. The main problem here is that since Pakistan is an Islamic country and culturally widely or hugely influenced by Islamic religious beliefs, it becomes hard for the woman or for the wife to have a job or work here in Pakistan. Most of the time, the decision of working or having a job is depending to the decision of the husband if he will allow the wife to work or not. So, for those Pakistanis who are married to a foreign wife, and if you want your wife to work or you are allowing your wife to work, then yes, those jobs that I mentioned are available here in Pakistan. Your wife just need your permission and your support, financially, morally, and emotionally. And for my kababayans who are planning or married to a Pakistani but is still not living here in Pakistan, please make yourself ready if you want to work here in Pakistan. If it's possible, make yourself to have or develop skills that can help you to have a job here in Pakistan easily. Although Pakistan is not a rich country, but I can assure you that there are jobs available for foreigners, especially the private companies. But before I end this topic, I just want to let you know as well that this kind of jobs or the availability of the jobs is depending on which place are you living in. This is all for today and thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day everyone. See you on my next video.